congrats on the win, world lead. Were you expecting that time today?
Yes. We were practicing too, but we knew that I could run fast. We came out here, won a 47.6 this time of the year, so I'm really proud of the time.
What did you make of the race itself? What did you make of your race itself, the technique in the race?
Like I was confident about my race. I know because we are practicing good, doing great times on the session, so I know I could come out here and like face the guys like head to head.
What did you make of your competitors today, especially Rashawn Clark?
I think we are an amazing field, you know. We have great athletes over here, athletes medals in World Championship, athletes in final, athletes like make a story in their own country. So I have like so much respect for all of them.
What are your plans for the season?
Run faster, get money, get titles.
Are you thinking about Varholm, Rai Benjamin and those guys?
I'm thinking about my race, I'm thinking about my time, I think about my plan, and let's see what they're gonna bring me.
Now your race today took place when the sun was going down, it got a lot cooler. How did the conditions help you today, if it did?
The conditions?
Yeah.
Was good. It was a little bit windy, but I'm practicing Claremont. Like it's really windy as well, so I was ready for it.
Is this your first time here in Jamaica?
My first time in Jamaica.
What did you make of the experience?
Oh, I'm loving the country, the people, the energy is amazing over here.
Similar to Brazil?
Yes, it's pretty similar to Brazil.
What did you make of?
With good friends.
Okay, what did you make of the track?
It's good. It's new, soft, good, fast, perfect for the competition.
Okay. Congrats.
Thank you.